As requested by one of my subscribers, I am back again with a brand new video where I will be talking about keyword research. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to subscribe. And now let's begin with today's topic. Before I directly start with keyword research, it is very important to know what are keywords, and I have already made a detailed video about that, so go and watch that first, and I will also put the link in the description box below. Now let's move on to keyword research that holds an important place in any online marketing campaign. The reason you need to do keyword research is to find out what the target audience is searching for and what all you need to do to rank for those keywords. Without researching for the right keywords, you will never be able to effectively optimize your website, as you will not be aware of what content you need to produce for your audience. So now let's move on to some of the keyword research tools and how to use them.
Google Keyword Planner is one of the top recommended tools that you can use for keyword research. To use it, you will just need your Google account, or it would be better if you have an AdWords account. As this tool has been designed by keeping PPC advertisers in mind, you will find a lot of features like keyword bidding that will not be useful for you if you are using it for SEO. Still, you can find SEO keywords using Google Keyword Planner. So what you need to do is type Google Keyword Planner in your browser, and here is the tool you need to click on. Now here you can read how Keyword Planner works, or simply click on Go to Keyword Planner. Now this will direct you to a new link where you will be required to sign in first. Once you are signed in, you can simply start using the Keyword Planner. If you are asked to select a campaign or something, you can select Create an Account without any campaign, provide them with your billing information, and you are good to go. Now here I am logged into my account, and here you will get two options. One is to discover new keywords and the other one is to get search volume and forecast. If you just want to get the keywords related to your product or service, you can use the first option. And if you want to know how your selected keywords are performing, or if you want to know about their search volume, that is how many times are they searched, you can go for the second option. So let's go to discover new keywords option. And here you can type words or phrases that are closely related to your business or product. But make sure your keyword should not be too specific or too general. For example, you can type earn money online, and you can even add more than one keyword and then click on get results. Here you will get all the information about the keyword you searched for, and you will also get other relevant keywords. And here you can see the average monthly searches, as well as you can see if the competition is high for your keyword. If the competition is high, you have to put in some extra efforts to rank your keywords. Also, this bidding feature is not for you if you are doing keyword research for SEO. Now from here you can easily select the medium competition keywords and you can copy and paste them anywhere. So that's how you can use Google Keyword Explorer to research for keywords for your blogs and articles. The next thing you can use for keyword research is Google search. Whenever you search for something on Google, you must have noticed these suggestions that start appearing when you start typing. These are those terms that are also searched by people and are also related to the keyword that you have entered. So for example, if you are writing a blog related to how to earn money online, you can even consider giving information about these related keywords in your content. Apart from that, you must have also noticed this section people also ask when you search for something on Google. This section is very important in terms of SEO, and you must include these search queries in your content. These are the questions that are related to your search query, and a lot of people are searching for their answers. Now, if you will scroll down to the bottom of the results page, you will see some more words and phrases related to your keyword that you can also include in your article. These are almost similar to the ones that you get in the form of suggestions by Google that I have already explained earlier. So that's how you can use Google search for keyword research, and that too for free. Now the next popular tool that you can use for keyword research is Ahrefs. To use this tool, you will have to purchase a subscription as its Keyword Explorer tool cannot be accessed for free. So I have already purchased its subscription and I am logged into my Ahrefs account. Now you just have to click on Keyword Explorer. Then you have to enter the keyword related to your topic of content or product or service that you want to sell. So here again I am entering earn money online. And then you have to select the location that you are targeting and click on the search icon. Now this tool will give you a lot of information about keywords and it will tell you if it is of high competition, medium competition or low competition, the volume of the keyword, traffic potential and global volume. And just below that you will get the related keywords. Click on view all. And here you can see a lot of related keywords along with the keyword difficulty and volume. So you can choose the ones that has low keyword difficulty and high volume. There is another tool that you can use for keyword research and that is Keywords Everywhere. Simply type Keywords Everywhere in Google and go to its official website. From here you can simply install it for Chrome or Firefox, whichever browser you are using. So I have this tool already installed here as you can see. Now if I will type any keyword in Google, here you can see on the right side of the screen I am also getting related keywords people also search for as well as long tail keywords. So these are the ones that you can also include in your piece of writing.
So that's how you need to do keyword research for your product, business or website. And if you need a detailed video on any of the keyword research tools or if you have suggestions for my next video, do let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.